friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna have some fun with Hama beads. If you want to know more about Hama beads, please check the description. Today we are gonna be making this interesting duck design. If you want a picture of it, please check the description. Ready, get, set, and go! To make this duck coaster, all you'll need is some blue beads, some yellow and green beads, some gray and orange beads, and of course, the mold. Ready, set, let's go! If you think the beads are too small, you can use a tweezer. The water is done almost. Now, I gotta take 7 out. 4 away from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need to remove 5 from the next line below. Now I need to replace it with yellow. Now we gotta remove 2 and from 1 block away from here. 1, 2, and then again the same thing. We gotta remove 2 1 block away from here, and that's all in the 3rd and 4th line. And then replace it with oranges to make the leg and the bottom of the duck. I am done with the part in the water and the water. See how the front's starting to look like a duck? Now the duck is done. Now let's work with the beak. Use the orange beads to make the beak. Let's start with the grass. We will be using green beads for the grass. Now we are done with the grass. All that's left is the sky and the cloud. I will leave some space for the cloud. See, now I'm done with the sky. Let's use gray for the clouds. And we are done. Put the butter paper on the Hama beads before you iron it. Give it to your parents to iron it too. Just like my parents ironed it for me. All that's left is to iron it. It's magical, so I call it the secret step, ironing. So, ironing helps because the beads melt, and when plastic melts, it's like molten. Plastic is like glue. How cool is that? I guess you like it. Could use this like a coaster. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.